guide, guide, kuyobora, squat, squat, gupfukama, win, win, gutsinda, achieve, achieve, kugera ku kintu, bully, bully, kunyuzura.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Learn English with Bonach. Tugiye kuba twakwiga inshinga zitandukanye zagufasha kuvuga Icyongereza. Ubundi iyo dusobanura ibikorwa ni inshinga dukoresha. We use verbs to describe the actions that we are doing. Dukoresha inshinga tuvuga ibikorwa cyangwa se dusobanura ibikorwa turi gukora. We are going to learn enough verbs. Tugiye kwiga inshinga zihagije. Inshinga 400 z'Icyongereza ndetse ziri buze kuba zisobanuye mu Kinyarwanda. Isn't that good? Ibyo si byiza? That's what we are going to be doing. And let me tell you, if you want to learn with us, we can teach you. Ukeneye kuba wakigana natwe, twakwigisha, wowe watwandikira kuri 078-029-3112 kuri 078-029-3112 cyangwa se 072-800-427 cyangwa kuri 072-803-427. Niba ukeneye ko tukwigisha, wakoresha iyo nimero ukatuvugisha. Now let's learn these verbs. Reka twige izi nshinga kugira ngo zigufashe mu rugendo rwawe ko kuba wavuga Icyongereza. Let's dive into this lesson.
Urakaza neza cyane. Tugiye kwiga noneho inshinga zisobanura ibikorwa. You really need these action verbs. Izi nshinga rwose urazikeneye. Because, as you know, we are always doing actions. Nk'uko bizi, buri munsi tuba dukora ibikorwa. Then what is action verbs? Ubundi izi action verbs bivuze iki? Action verbs are words or verbs you would use to describe an action that a subject is performing. Ubundi action verbs bivuze amagambo cyangwa se inshinga wakoresha usobanura igikorwa ngenga iri gukora. We always do actions, so this video is intended to help you to describe those actions. Buri gihe dukora ibikorwa. Kubera iyo mpamvu, ino video igamije kugufasha gusobanura ibyo bikorwa. Without further ado, let's start, and I'll remind you to really subscribe. Tudatinze reka dutangire, kandi nkwibukije gukora subscribe and like if you really like this video. Ukore na like niba rwose wakunze ino video. Welcome. Peep, peep, guhengereza. Mock, mock, gukwena. Shoot, shoot, kurasa. Link, link, guhuza. Meet, meet, guhura. Gather, gather, gukusanya. Hang, hang, kumanika. Fan, fan, gufana. Cure, cure, gukiza. Advocate, advocate kuvugira, push push gusunika, turn off kuzimya, turn on kwatsa, hide guhisha, pull gukurura, bathe koga, prepare gutegura, advance kujya imbere, define gusobanura, imitate kwigana, think gutekereza, fight kurwana, claw gukambakamba, clean gusukura, swim koga, listen kumva, climb kurira, cut gukata, slice gucamo uducece, weigh gupima, ride gutwara igare, draw gushushanya, dance kubyina, paint gusiga irangi, knock gukomanga, stare kwitegereza cyane, judge guca urubanza, conclude gufata umwanzuro, sew kudoda, wear kwambara, protest kwigaragambya, roast kotsa, wait gutegereza, pour gusuka, cook guteka, appoint gushyiraho, anoint gusiga, approach kwegera, halt guhagarika, advise kugira inama, appoint gushyiraho, anoint, anoint, gusiga, approach, approach, kwegera, halt, halt, guhagarika, advise, advise, kugira inama, pass out, pass out, guta ubwenge, work, work, gukora, dial, dial, gukora nomero, break up, break up, gutandukana, quit, quit, kuva ku kazi, blink, blink, guhumbya, hug, hug, guhobera, knock, knock, gukomanga, bark, bark, kumoka, stir, stir, kuvanga, vaccinate, vaccinate, gukingira, isolate, isolate, kwiheza, apply, apply, gusaba, bake, bake, guteka imigati, paddle, paddle, kunyonga, wait, wait, gutosa, use, use, gukoresha, translate, translate, guhindura ururimi, browse, browse, gukoresha murandasi, travel, travel, gutembera, brighten, brighten, gukesha, step, step, gutera intambwe, distinguish, distinguish, gutandukanya, learn, learn, kwiga, rape, rape, gufata ku ngufu, bend, bend, guhina, awake, awake, kubyuka, delete, delete, guhanagura, choose, choose, guhitamo, criticize, criticize, kunenga, straddle, straddle, gutagataga, castrate, castrate, gukona, circumcise, circumcise, gusiramura, breathe, breathe, guhumeka, splatter, splatter, gutonyangiriza, meditate, meditate, kwiyumvira, watch, watch, kureba, reduce, reduce, kugabanya, type, type, kwandika. Scratch, scratch, gushwaratura. Flee, flee, guhunga. Kill, kill, kwica. Find, find, gushaka. Zip, zip, gufunga imashini. Punch, punch, gutera ingumi. Familiarize, familiarize, kwimenyeza. Celebrate, celebrate, kwizihiza. To be quiet, to be quiet, guceceka. Bargain, bargain, guciririkanwa. Run, run, kwiruka. Walk, walk, kugenda bisanzwe. Play, play, gukina. Build, build, kubaka. Lead, read, gusoma. Jump, jump, gusimbuka. Yawn, yawn, kwayura. Clap, clap, gukoma mu mashyi. Kick, kick, gutera umugeri. Write, write, kwandika. Vomit, vomit, kuruka. Count, count, kubara. Scratch, scratch, gushwaratura. Show, show, kwerekana. Move, move, kwimuka. Preach, preach, kubwiriza. Clean, clean, gusukura. Withdraw, withdraw, kubikuza. Stink, stink, kunuka. Weave, weave, kuboha. Threaten, threaten, gutera ubwoba. Publicize, publicize, kwamamaza. Mop, mop, gutorosha. Export, export, gusohora hanze y'igihugu. Import, import, kwinjiza mu gihugu. Kiss, kiss, gusoma. Cry, cry, kurira. Drink, drink, kunywa. Look, look, kureba. Laugh, laugh, guseka. Call, call, guhamagara. Hug, hug, guhobera. Attend, attend, kwitabira. Awaken, awaken, gukangura. Backbite, backbite, kunegura. Stand, stand, guhagarara. Jump, jump, gusimbuka. Sit, sit, kwicara. Point, point, gutunga urutoki. Eat, eat, kurya. Shout, shout, gusakuza. Sing, sing, kuririmba. Chase, chase, kwirukankana. Fly, fly, kuguruka. Smile, smile, kumwenyura. Hike, hike, kurira imisozi. Sing, sing, kuririmba. Chase, chase, kwirukankana. Hunt, hunt, guhiga. Go, go, kugenda. Cry, cry, kurira. Fish, fish, kuroba. Drive, drive, gutwara imodoka. Teach, teach, kwigisha. Dig, dig, gucukura. Bow, bow, kunama. Kneel, kneel, gupfukama. Remove, remove, gukuraho. Slay, slay, kwicisha icyuma. Save, save, kubika. Decide, decide, gufata umwanzuro. Approve, approve, kwemeza ikintu. Join, join, guhuza ibintu. Plan, plan, gupanga. Accelerate, accelerate, kongera umuvuduko. Guide, guide, kuyobora. Squat, squat, gupfukama. Win, win, gutsinda. Achieve, achieve, kugera ku kintu. Bully, bully, kunyuzura. Abort, abort, gukuramo inda. Abdicate, abdicate, kuva ku bwami. Abrogate, abrogate, kurangiza amasezerano. Quote, quote gusubiramo amagambo y'undi. compare kugereranya. conclude gufata umwanzuro. coach gutoza. fry gukaranga. assemble guhurira hamwe. catch gufata. blow guhuha. enter kwinjira. fall kugwa. grind gusya. load gupakira. keep kubika. heat gukubita. make gukora. peel guhata. put gushyira. relax kuruhuka. reply gusubiza. replace guhindura. shake kuzunguza. wave gupepera. shut gufunga. slide kunyerera. seek gushakisha. show kwerekana. edit guhindura. act gukina. shade kumena. smell guhumurirwa. spy gutata. kick off gutangira. wiggle gutigisa umubiri. snore gufurura. revenge kwihorera. gossip kujajwa. visit gusura. bury gushyingura. steal kwiba. advertise kwamamaza. stride kwihuta. speed gucira. speak kuvuga. invest, invest, gushora, investigate, investigate, guperereza, speed, speed, kwihuta, speak up, speak up, kuvuga cyane, lead, lead, kuyobora, worship, worship, kuramya, smoke, smoke, kunywa itabi, sow, sow, kubiba, accomplish, accomplish, kugera ku kintu, avoid, avoid, kwirinda, breastfeed, breastfeed, konsa, accuse, accuse, kurega, brew, brew, kwenga inzoga, pinch, pinch, kwihumura, slap, slap, gukubita urushyi, bite, bite, kuruma, sneeze, sneeze, kwitsamura, choke, choke, kuniga, tickle, tickle, gukirigita, sell, sell, kugurisha, buy, buy, kugura, serve, serve, guhereza, revise, revise, gusubiramo, whistle, whistle, kuvuza ifirimbi, give, give, gutanga, award, award, gutanga ibihembo, date, date, gutereta, guess, guess, gukeka, delay, delay, gutinza, quarrel, quarrel, gutongana, confess, confess, kwicuza, filter, filter, kuyungurura, sweep, sweep, gukubura, heat, heat, gushyushya, oppress, oppress, gukandamiza, hang, hang, kumanika, moan, moan, gukora ikiriyo, heap, heap, kurunda, soak, soak, gutosa, insult, insult, gutuka, shave, shave, kogosha, curse, curse, kuvuma, water, water, kuhira. Interview, interview, kubaza mu magambo. Code, code, gushyiramo code. Collect, collect, gukusanya. Heal, heal, gukiza. Declare, declare, gushyira ku mugaragaro. Motivate, motivate, gutiza umurindi. Comment, comment, gutanga igitekerezo. Invent, invent, kuvumbura. Lean, lean, kwegamira. Tell, tell, kubwira.